the car show in Pueblo. Hi guys, it's me, Tomboy Gaming.
And me too.
Yeah. And we went to the car show today in Pueblo.
We're sweating still.
I just can't do it. It's so hot. I mean, it's like 90 degrees out here. And every single one of us, it's like terrible.
I know you guys watch YouTube, so I'm on YouTube. Yeah, so I'm a YouTuber.
At least we get to see
So
cars,
much
but other than that, it sucks.
Yeah, I have so many subscribers. I have six
So,
subscribers on YouTube.
so yeah. Keep you updated if we see any cool cars. Bye.
Hi guys, it's me again. Me and Tim again. And I'll hold it.
Especially stop. If you guys do come here,
I'll hold it so
we
they
wanna
can have
know-
both hands.
If you guys, no, my legs are not covered now. Especially,
Look at this.
I'm not covered.
It's like a
But Sebastian, stop. Let me hold it.
No, I'll hold it.
Sebastian, you're bad at holding it. There. Anyways, guys, we want to know if you do come here like every single year, how do you survive? It is so hot in Pueblo. Look at my lips.
holding it.
But yeah, we just wanted to know that, like, are you a superhero or something? Because seriously, we have no idea how you guys do it. We're under the umbrella not moving. There's still an hour and 50 minutes left of this. When will it stop? Anyways, bye guys. Say bye. Bye guys. So, we decided that we're actually going to leave because it was so hot. Everybody was sweating so much. So we just decided to leave. So we're gonna walk out of here. But look at that. Cool cars. I mean, it would be better if it was at night. Yeah, see? It'd be a lot better if it was at night, but apparently it's not. So, we're going to leave. So, yeah, that was today. Bye. Thanks for watching.